Scholenberg International Private Limited are leaders in HVAC trainings and content development worldwide. Best service practices in unitary air conditioners. Evacuation and refrigerant charging in an air conditioning system. Process setup. Arrange the setup as shown below. Evacuation process. Note cylinder valve V4 will remain closed throughout the evacuation process. Step 1. Open V1 straight ball valve. Step 2. Open V2 compound gauge valve. Step 3. Open V3 discharge gauge valve. Step 4. Open SV suction service valve using an Allen key. Step 5. Start vacuum pump. Note the micron gauge readings. When the vacuum reaches 500 microns, close the discharge gauge valve V3, and stop the vacuum pump. Vacuum will begin to rise. If it does not exceed 1500 microns, it means that there is no leak. The vacuum process is complete. Step 6. Close straight ball valve V1.